In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to enable options trading on Robinhood. Before we dive in, a quick heads up. Options are advanced financial instruments and come with risk, so make sure you understand the basics before you start. To get approved, you typically need a verified Robinhood account, to be at least 18 years old and otherwise eligible, some funds in your account, and a foundation of basic trading knowledge. Robinhood checks these through a short application, so have your financial details ready and plan to answer a few experience questions honestly. Let's walk through it on the app. Open the Robinhood app and sign in. Tap the account icon, the little person silhouette, then tap the menu, which looks like three horizontal lines. From there, go to Investing. Scroll until you find Options Trading and tap Enable Options Trading. If you don't see this option, make sure your app is updated and that your account verification is complete. Next, you'll complete a brief application. Robinhood will ask about your investing experience, including how familiar you are with different types of trades. They'll also ask you to confirm your income and financial information. This helps them assess whether options are appropriate for you and what level to assign. Finally, you'll be asked to read and agree to the options agreement. Take a moment to review it carefully so you understand the terms and the risks outlined there. Answer everything truthfully and consistently. Providing accurate information reduces the chance of delays or follow-up requests. After you submit, you'll wait for approval. Sometimes it's instant, and other times it can take a few days while Robinhood reviews the information. When your application is processed, Robinhood assigns you an options level, typically level 2 or level 3. This level determines which strategies you'll have access to, with higher levels allowing more advanced trades. You'll get a notification in the app as soon as your account is ready, and your assigned level will be visible there. A few quick tips while you wait. Keep some funds in your account so you're ready to place trades once approved, and double-check your notification settings so you don't miss the update. If approval takes longer, that's normal. It just means your details are being reviewed more closely. That's it. Open the app, navigate to Investing, enable options trading, complete the application, and wait for your approval notice. Take your time, read everything carefully, and trade responsibly once you're in.